Question number 1. What is the capital city of India? The right answer is option B, New Delhi. Question number 2. Which river is considered the holiest in India? The right answer is option B, Ganga. Question number 3. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The right answer is option A, Gujarat. Question number 4. What is the highest peak in India? The right answer is option B, Kanchenjunga. Question number 5. Which desert is located in India? The right answer is option C, Thar. Question number 6. Which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? The right answer is option A, Punjab. Question number 7. Which city is known as the Pink City? The right answer is option A, Jaipur. Question number 8. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The right answer is option D, Bengaluru. Question number 9. Which state is known as for the production of tea? The right answer is option A, Assam. Question number 10. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? The right answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 11. Which city is known as the City of Joy? The right answer is option D, Kolkata. Question number 12. Which Indian state has the largest population? The right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 13. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? The right answer is option D, Damodar. Question number 14. What is the official language of Indian state of Tamil Nadu? The right answer is option C, Tamil. Question number 15. Which Indian state is known as for its spices? The right answer is option B, Kerala.